Jaxia, and of course my channel name Awesome Views. So make sure to subscribe, and we're going to open something. It's going to be a surprise. And that, give me it. It's the Justice League blind bag. And let's just open it. Did you also know there's two test strips under things?
Where'd you get it exclusive?
I got it exclusive at Walmart. So you can't look at it at local Target because they don't have that there. So just look at Walmart.
About the rare.
So there's also a rare Batman. There's a really good, but he's hard to find, and he's an ultra rare. So let's just keep this bag up. The test strips is really hard to find, so we can't really do it. And it looks like we got, it's gonna be a surprise, and we got Dr. Batman, awesome! And
That's the super rare.
this is the super rare Batman ever. Right, you can move his cape, but he can stand up because see, and you can see on the package he's right there. And he has a black cape like the usual seasons, and you can take a closer look at him. And of course he has a golden suit, and that makes him ultra rare. So I might want to take the thing and let's get it. So see, this guy we got today, right there. I really want to get this Batman, but this one's so cool than this one. Much cooler than that one.
Okay.
And you might wanna subscribe to this channel and make sure to subscribe. And if you press that button right there, it says VZ Toys. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more of these characters.